Probably getting ready to film a cooking video tonight. So yeah, my balloon is kinda, it doesn't really touch the ceiling anymore, but since, I don't know, the air is blowing it around, the heat is causing it to just float around, all around. Cause for my vlog, I have to vlog the behind the scenes stuff. See, the grease is splattering everywhere. All over the wall. All over the stove. Just filming a cooking video, guys. Making some hot wings. Extra crispy hot wings. I got a drink. And then I don't even know if I'm going to use this video. I might re-record it. Alright, the wings are done. They're looking really crispy, so I'm going to take them out and put them on a napkin on this plate with a paper towel on it. So you gotta keep tasting it to see if it's hot enough. And if it's not hot enough, then add more hot sauce and maybe some more cayenne pepper. And if it's not mild enough, then you gotta add more butter. So my balloon is on the floor now. I mean, it still floats a little bit, but it's on the floor. It's going down. It's on its way out. But still, I'm just counting, trying to see how long it will be until it's completely dead. But, yeah, and it's just kind of been floating around all over the house. Like, when the heat is on, like, the heat is causing it to float all over the place and just, like, haunt the house and everything. It's kind of funny. But, yeah. So I got a PR package, right, Coda? It should be some hair. So I'm supposed to be doing a review. So I'm about to open it and see what it is, because there's different ones that they were supposed to be sending me. So let me open it. Ooh. Okay, so motto. It's come here. Faux cap, drawstring, motto. So this is I think it's a half wig. As a wig. Okay, yeah, so it's a half wig that I got, and it has some color in it. It's really curly. I think it's synthetic hair. Okay, yeah, so I'll be doing a video review or tutorial or something with this soon. So, but yeah, alright, so yeah, I'll be doing a video with that soon, so be on the lookout for this, for those of you that like the wigs and the hair videos and stuff like that. So it's Wednesday night. I just got back from meeting with somebody about some video projects, you know, so I'm trying to you know, share my creativity and, you know, just I want to get work doing what I love doing and what I'm good at. Okay? And oh yeah, and then that reminds me, as far as like, you know how YouTube has that the new rules for the partner program. It's like a lot of small YouTubers I know are kind of bummed about this. One of my old channels is probably going to be demonetized too. It has almost 3,000 subscribers, but it doesn't have enough watch time. So, you know, the new rules, you need 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers. So I mean, and this channel here has surpassed that, so I'm good on this channel. But yeah, my old channel, SeanaSparkle 2, yeah, that channel doesn't meet the requirements. But I don't know, I mean, I'm not really like too bummed about it, because it's not like, I mean, I haven't really been using it, that channel, or like really uploading on it anymore, and it's not like it was really helping much with as far as money. I mean, it kind of made like a couple extra bucks each month, but not, you know, but whatever. Anyway, but as far as like the small YouTubers that are, you know, actually like doing something, trying to do something, I mean, yeah, I understand that it sucks, but like, I'm an OG YouTuber, and I might not have 1 million subscribers like a lot of the OG YouTubers do by now. And back in the days, in 2010, was it like before 2011 or something like that, the YouTube Partner Program was exclusive. Like, it was, you know, it was a thing that was only for like people that were getting more subscribers and views. So you had to already been doing YouTube for a while and build up your subscribers and views, and then apply to the partnership program, and then if you meet the requirements, then you'll get accepted. But and then like later on they changed it so that everybody's a YouTube partner. So like, just basically, as long as you have at least one video monetized, you're automatically considered a YouTube partner. And then they changed the, because yeah, back then, like, not everybody had all these features. Like, you know, the channels, the whole channel layout was different. Only partners get to have a banner, get to have like their own customized banner on the top of their page, and only partners get to customize their thumbnails. Now, there was a few other perks you get on your channel, but then now they have that for everybody. Everybody gets to do that, which, you know, I mean, it was cool, but you know, I just think that maybe like some people unfortunately are just taking advantage of it and kind of ruining it for everybody else. Like the people that really like want to do YouTube for real and want to be serious about it, because then you got people that just like upload a bunch of bullshit, you know, and you got people that just upload, you know, some people just like, all they do is just rip people's videos and then re-upload them and then get paid for them. And since there's no requirements to become a YouTube partner, you can just automatically monetize right away. And so there's some people that are like getting like thousands of views, making money, and they're not even their own original videos, they're just using other people's videos. So that kind of like, that's kind of like not really fair for people who really are putting in work and grinding and trying to like get their channel popping and everything. So, you know, and then there's certain like really big YouTubers that kind of just do shit because they're so big that they just get away with stuff, you know, like somebody like, you know, Logan Paul that uploaded the video of the dead body, the suicide victim, and YouTube didn't even take it down. It only, he was the one who took it down. But I don't know, it's like stuff like that, it kind of causes YouTube to change the rules, but it's like it affects the small people. Like the big YouTubers, the ones that caused the problems, they're not getting punished for it. It's the smaller YouTubers. But the way I see it, if you are a small YouTuber, or if you're somebody who wants to start a channel, like, don't let that be the reason that you don't like quit YouTube, or don't let that be the reason that you decide not to start a channel because you're not going to be able to get paid right away. Because first, you know, like YouTube is supposed to be fun. So if you're doing YouTube, you're supposed to be doing it because you love making videos. I mean, and I guess that's why I'm still doing it, because I've been doing YouTube for like how many years, and I only have 9,000 subscribers compared to like a lot of the YouTubers that start way after me and already have 1 million subscribers, okay? And, you know, and yeah, I get frustrated sometimes because I want, you know, because I feel like, you know, how come, you know, people that started like around the same time I did or way after me already have all these subscribers, and like I'm still struggling with, you know, but yeah, I'm still doing it because you know, I've been doing YouTube way before I even knew you could get paid, and I just kind of like discovered that like doing video production is basically my passion. It's something that I have fun doing still. So it's like, I mean, yes, I want to make it bigger. Like, I have goals. I want to meet certain goals on YouTube. But at the same time, yes, like, I just love doing video production. And, you know, I love doing video production, entertainment. Like, this is like my field. This is like what I do. Like, you know, like, I like to do, you know, I'm an artist. Like, I just do art. Like, I like doing video production. Like, that's what I want as my career too. Like, that's what I went to school for. I do freelance projects for people doing video production and graphic design and stuff like that. So it's like, this is just what I like doing. So I guess I'm still doing, I mean, yes, I do want to you know, get up there. Yes, I do want to get my channel popping. Like, I have goals, like, you know, I want to be up there, but at the same time, I'm still just gonna, like, I still just want to do this because I love doing it. And so if you're new, so yeah, if you're new, like, don't let not making money, because I started doing it before I knew you could get paid at all, and I was just doing it just like as a way just to put myself out there, just to like have fun and like just share my creativity. Like, just, you know, it was just fun, you know, it was fun. And that's the thing. So if you're doing YouTube, you need to be doing it for fun. You're new and you want to start a channel, kind of like see this as like, if you're already a small YouTuber that's going to be demonetized, or if you're someone who wants to start a channel, like, see that as like a way to make you push harder. You know, like, you want to meet certain goals now. You want to get 1,000 subscribers. You want to get your watch time up. 4,000 hours, and yeah, 4,000 hours is a lot. That's like over 200, it's like 240, 250, 100 something minutes. So, I mean, it's a lot, because, I mean, my channel did not make the cut. And it's been around for how many years, but I know I haven't really been uploading on it consistently either. So, I haven't uploaded on it in like over a year. So, I mean, and there's like probably over 100 something videos on that channel, but I don't know, like, you have to like really upload a lot of videos and get your views up. So just kind of see this as a way to like really grind and push hard, and, you know, if you want to meet those requirements, because I mean, I guess that's kind of how I was even before I knew you could get paid. But then when I did find out about the partner program, I thought that was cool. So that kind of was a goal. So it did kind of become a goal of mine after a while. And I was like, okay, yeah, that would be cool. Like, I want to become a partner too. Because, you know, I thought it was cool to have that banner on your page. You know, I just like being able to do like cool stuff on my page. So I just thought that was cool to have a banner and everything. You know, since back then only partners got to have a banner. But yeah, so I just say, just see it as a way to like, you know, work harder. Like, just, you know, you have like some goals to work towards with your YouTube channel, and, you know, but at the same time, you know, this is, and plus this is a way that kind of shows like who's really here because they just really love doing it, and who's here just only for the money. Because you can't really just start YouTube automatically just like, I'm just gonna make money, because you kind of have to already have a passion for it. You know, you have to already have a passion for just being a creator in general. And, you know, like, that's kind of like the point of YouTube, is being a like, just being able to share your creativity and just be you and do you. And, you know, like, you have to have a passion for it already. And, you know, because if you kind of just start it, just like, I'm just going to only make money. I mean, you can have money on your mind, but you just have to, like, but you still have to have a passion for this, or it's just, like, yeah, it's not gonna work. So, anyway, yeah, so that's all I wanted to say about that, is, you know, so yeah, just make sure you keep grinding, and I'm gonna keep doing my thing and keep grinding, okay? Like, I'm trying, right now, my goal now is to get to 10,000 subscribers, And I think once you make 10,000 subscribers that you're considered, so I mean, I'm already a YouTube partner on this channel, so I think the next step is 10,000 subscribers. Once you make 10,000, I think you're considered, what is it? Because YouTube has these like different levels, like bronze, silver, gold, diamond. So, you know, like you see like the YouTubers that make 100K subscribers, they get like the silver play button, and then when you get 1 million, you get the gold play button. So I think like when you reach 10,000, is it like you're considered bronze or something? I can't remember. I don't know, but I know like once you reach 10,000, you're considered like more in with YouTube or something. Like YouTube considers you a little bit more, I don't know, important. Like you qualify for certain perks. I don't know, but yeah, so yeah, I think I'm gonna end this vlog now and do some other stuff tonight, and yeah, so you wanna say bye to Coda? Bye, Coda. Say bye. Say bye, Coda. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Peace. What? You looking at me? Look at the camera. Peace, doggy. 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 Peace. Is it raining? Do you know what raining? He knows what a lot of words mean. Raining is raining. Psych, it's not really raining. You don't like thunder. He doesn't like thunder. That's why he kind of knows the word raining, because I'm like, it's raining. Alright, bye. Alright, bye. Peace.
Bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. With the ruler, diamond cooler. This a rolling.